In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give access to another user in Pandadoc. If you need a teammate to help create, send, or manage documents in your Pandadoc account, the best way is to invite them through your team settings. This ensures they have the right permissions from the start, and it keeps access organized across your workspace. First, sign in to Pandadoc and look to the main interface for the settings option. You will usually find it as a gear icon. Click that gear icon to open your account settings menu. From there, choose Team. This is the area where Pandadoc manages your users, roles, and access. Once you are on the team page, go to the top right of the screen and click Invite Users. This opens the invitation form where you will add the person you want to bring into your account. Take your time here because the options you choose determine what they can see and do. Next, enter the user's email address in the email field. Make sure it is typed correctly, because Pandadoc will send the invitation to that address. After that, select a role for the person you are inviting. You may see roles like member or manager. In general, a member role is a good fit for someone who needs standard access to work on documents, while a manager role is better for someone who needs broader control, such as managing other users or settings. Choose the role that matches the responsibilities you want that person to have. Now choose the workspace access level. This is important if your Pandadoc account uses multiple workspaces, or if you want to limit access to specific areas. Setting the workspace access level helps prevent confusion and keeps sensitive documents restricted to the right people. When everything looks correct, click Invite. Pandadoc will send an invitation email, and the user will be able to accept it and join your team. If they do not receive it right away, ask them to check their spam or junk folder and confirm the email address you entered matches exactly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.